Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video I'm going to show you about the Nothing Android 13 beta update. So this is the Nothing OS 1.5.1, which is nothing but the second beta of Android 13. So after seeing the changelog, you will get some excitement because they added some new glyphs and made some new features which are not present till now. And I will be using their phone with the latest beta update for a day so that I can inform you guys if any kind of major bug is present in the update. So currently I am on the Nothing OS beta 1.5.0, so I will be showing you how to update to the next version, that is 1.5.1. So make sure you are on the Nothing OS 1.5 before in order to flash the latest beta 2. So to flash the before 1.5 update, you can watch my previous video. So in this video I will show you how to update to the next beta and show you what are the features that you will be getting with this latest beta update. So now let's start updating your device to the Nothing OS 1.5.1. So first of all, download the file, which is the update file, from the link in the description below. So you can check the link in the description, and it is of 127 MB. So after that, click on copy, and you need to create a new folder named OTA. So click on new folder and type OTA and paste the file in that folder. As you can see, let me show you that OTA folder, and you can see the file here. So now go to the home screen, open the dialer app, and then you need to enter the command. So type ***682 ****. And now you will get a pop-up here regarding the local system update, and as you can see, the file is already detected. So if not detected, you can use a browse option to select the file. So now click on the file and click on proceed and install. And that's it. It will start installing the beta 2 update on your Nothing Phone 1. So make sure you are on Nothing OS beta 1.5 before proceeding this process. And I'm speeding up this part for you. So it took 15 minutes to update. So now let me go to the settings first, about phone, and let me show you the version number. As you can see, I'm on the Nothing OS 1.5.1. And another thing is, this Nothing OS 1.1 also comes with the January security patch update. So I will be using the phone with the latest 1.5.1 update and let you know guys if there is any kind of major bug present in it. So guys, I have used this latest beta update for a day now, and I can say there are no kind of bugs present. So if you want to try it out, you can try it out, this update. Compared to the beta 1, I didn't feel like there are any lags in the UI. Compared to the beta 1, the beta 2 is way more smoother. So I suggest you to try this beta 2 if you are on beta 1, that is 1.5. Now let's see what are the new changes that we will be getting with the new beta 2 update. So the first change they mentioned is regarding the glyph interface, that is they added a new glyph ringtones and notification sounds. So as you can see, in the Android 12 we have only 10 ringtones, but here, so these are some of the 11 new ringtones. I felt the new ringtones are like okayish and not good like the old ones, and we also getting new 10 notification sounds. So these new notification sounds are also okayish, and the old ones are better than these. So the next thing they added are the new wallpapers. So for that you can go to customization, select wallpaper, and there you can see the 6 new wallpapers that they have added in this beta 2 update. So the wallpapers look cool, and they have given both light and dark theme of the wallpapers. The next thing is regarding a lock screen shortcut customization. For that, go to display lock screen, and there you can see the lock screen shortcut. So earlier in the Android 12 and beta 1 we have only one option, that is device control, but now we have another 4 new options, and also we can choose the left and right shortcut. I selected torch for the left one and camera for the right one. So let me go to lock screen now. So now you press and hold on the shortcut, as you can see the flash turns on. In the same way, when you press and hold on the camera app opens up. So this will be very helpful if you want to open the camera and activate the torch quickly. So this is one of the important and good changes that you can see in the new beta 2. So the next change is regarding the internet pop-up toggle. As you can see earlier, if you want to use data from the second SIM, then you need to enter into the settings to change that. But now with this latest beta 2 update, you can directly switch to the internet to the second SIM directly from the internet toggle, as shown in the screenshot here. So the next improvement they have mentioned is in the lock screen animation. So when you click on the lock button, as you can see there is a new kind of smooth animation that we can see in the Android 13 beta 2. And if you choose the wallpaper like me, like the dark and light mode wallpapers in home and lock screen, then you can feel the transition is more smoother than earlier. So the next improvement they have mentioned is regarding the auto brightness algorithm. So they didn't mention what are the brightness needs that we will be getting, but they have said they have improved the auto brightness algorithm. So I have tested the brightness in the direct sunlight, and the brightness I felt is okay, like not bad like earlier. The brightness seems to be improved and working properly. And as you can see, when I didn't keep the phone in direct sunlight, the brightness reduces, but when I kept in the sunlight, the auto brightness is working. So I can say that they have improved the auto brightness algorithm. So the next improvement they have mentioned is regarding the Nothing X app, which we can see in the Nothing OS. So they have saying that they have included in the Nothing OS, so you can find the Nothing X app in the app drawer. So the next change is regarding the pop-up view. As you can see in the earlier beta 1 we don't have that option. So now with this beta 2 they have again brought back that option, and we can use some apps in the pop-up view. So the next change they have mentioned is regarding the camera. As you can see, they have mentioned regarding the camera app UI and animations. So in the Android 12 and the beta 1, if you see the fonts, the UI is like a little bit thicker, but now the font and all are thinner compared to the earlier versions. Let me show you the settings also. As you can see, the font and all the settings overall they looks like more thinner compared to the earlier. So the next change I have mentioned is regarding the improved battery life. So for 1 day of usage, as you can see, I got only 4 hours of screen on time, from 90% to 20% of battery. So I will be using it for another 3 to 4 days more, so to see how is the battery life. So the next thing is regarding the improved system stability and bug fixes. So I didn't find any kind of bugs, but in the beta 2, as you can see, the device is now again certified, and safety net also passes. This means you can use banking apps without any kind of issues. So if you stopped updating to the earlier beta version because of this issue, but now as device is certified, every banking app and payments work flawlessly without any kind of issues. And also if you want work apps to be working, they will be also working in this latest beta 2. So finally, when we come to the conclusion, the beta 2 update is good compared to the earlier. The animations are more smoother, and I didn't find any kind of bugs. Only thing I didn't like is regarding the battery life, so I will be checking for 2 more days to see how is the actual battery life. So thank you for watching this video guys, and subscribe.